So we are here for our first Connect the Dots training of this year. This is our second year doing these trainings. They're a resource for the community. It's our effort to bridge the digital divide by connecting with our partners. So in these workshops, uh, in this case, it's an adult workshop. So the students come, they learn for 2 hours digital skills, and then they get to walk away with a laptop that they get to keep.
Well, I think they'll love it. I mean, and the impact that that's going to have is, again, right now they don't have that access that everyone needs in order to survive in today's world. So now they come in here, they get to learn about how to actually use computers and the like. And as we just saw here, a lot of people already know how to use a computer, but this extends their knowledge. And then more importantly, it gives them that hardware. And then, of course, the internet access so that they can once again be part of the digital world that we're in today.
It's actually surpassing it because I have not been involved in a program that offers free equipment and hands-on training. So I'm new to Georgia, so it's a nice opportunity, and it's really nice to see how the community is reaching out to help those that need to get access to the internet and computers.
So for folks that don't have hardware and don't have access to the internet and don't know how to use the tools, this is the perfect way to get started. And we're just so proud that we're able to do it at the Fulton County Libraries and partner with great organizations like InspireEDU and Comcast to make it happen.
The program is very helpful, very informative, very equitable for the community. It's a nice investment to take the time out to sit here and teach us things that a lot of people may not be aware of. And it's a nice refresher for those that do know.